A look at Kodak UltraMax and Portra in the Pentax 17 half-frame film camera. Pentax Forum staff writer Chris Viola here with some more film types run through our tests of the Pentax 17. I didn't get enough of either of these films to make a separate video with them like I did with, say, Tri-X or HP5 or Ektachrome. So I'm putting them together here. The Portra did very, very well, but it was also after I learned that, at least with my shooting style, the Pentax 17 does better if it's permanently set to underexposed by a third of a stop. The UltraMax I shot before I figured that, so just not as good results there. The other thing with the UltraMax is I tried to shoot a bunch of macro work, and apparently I'm really, really bad at estimating 8.17 inches because I just blew the focus in all of them. I've since learned that you can use the wrist strap to actually measure that, and have had much better luck since then, so it goes to show. I don't have a lot of the Portra because the Portra's great calling card, of course, is skin tones, and shot a lot of family images, and I don't put family images online. So hopefully you'll find this illuminating. UltraMax is a good, inexpensive film. Portra, of course, is the high-end and very expensive as film goes. But both of them are eminently affordable for your photography needs. I'm Chris Viola, and I hope you have a great Pentaxian week. Viola out!